Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Today is a very special day because I am buying another car, and a lot of you guys know that I have a 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera, but the car that I am buying is a 6-speed manual convertible. Alright guys, so we just finished the transaction and here it is. It is a MX-5 Miata Club. You know, driving the Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera daily is not really a good idea. It's a single clutch and it's so limited, so hard to find parts, and that's why I got this Miata. After I test drove one, I fell in love with it. So there you have it. I'm super excited to drive this car. You don't have to drive fast to have fun in this car. It only has 181 horsepower. So yeah, but it's perfectly balanced car and it already has sway bars on it. Good to be back in a manual car. That's all what it's about when driving a car. That engagement and that driving experience. Alright, we got the tow truck here. Gonna haul the car. Got the car on the tow truck. Looking good. Ready to go home. Let's hear the first cold start of the Miata. Alright guys, so first time taking the Miata here in the canyons. Let's see what this car can do. So it already has sway bar installed and lowering spring, aftermarket exhaust. Red line at 7,500 RPM. This is like a freaking go-kart on the street. It's insane. So I took the Gallardo Superleggera here the other day. I could barely do over third gear, and the corners are just too tight for the car. The car is too wide. But this car, damn, like, so much fun. And it's manual. And this car has LSD, so it's gonna be fun too. Wow, I love this car. The heel toe is so easy to do on this car because the pedals are so close to each other. Like when I had the Mustang GT, the pedals were so far away from each other that I could barely do heel toe. I had to rely on the rev match from the car. But this car, everything you can just control on your own. True driver's car right here. And obviously, it is not the V10 that screams like an F1 car, like the Lambo. But for a four-cylinder, this thing is this will do. Love it. I think I have more fun driving this car than driving the Lambo. Wow. And the reason why I got this car is because the Lambo, it's so limited, so special. There are only 172 in the United States originally. I don't know how many there are right now, but they don't make the parts anymore for the car. It's so special. It's hard to find the parts. And the other day I hit a pothole, bent the rim, and that was a $11,000 quote from the factory Lamborghini. It's forged wheels. So yeah, buying this car, I can tune it. Everything is cheaper on this car. So originally I was planning on getting a S2000 AP2 or a Boxster 987.2 Boxster S 6-speed manual, of course. But I think the Miata will do. It's there will be depreciation to the car, but everything is cheaper, easier to find parts, and it's newer. You have Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay. All the techs are there. So yeah, that's why I made the choice. Wow, look at that backdrop, the sunset, perfect. What a fun little car. Love it. Life's too short to drive boring cars. If you have the opportunity, go get yourself a fun car. Enjoy life. So let's do a quick review of the Mazda MX-5 Miata. So it has 3 different trim levels: Sports, Club, and Grand Touring, and 2 versions of convertibles, the soft top and the RF. RF is the hard top version of it. So the trim I got is a club version with BBS Recardo package. The club version comes with LSD limit slip differential, as well as forged BBS wheels and Brembo brakes. Also, it has Recardo seats. These are heated seats, and these are speakers. It has 9 Bose speakers. And the reason why I got the soft top is because I think the wheelbase of this car is so short that if you get a RF, it's a Targa, and it doesn't really look like a convertible. And I don't mind the wind noise on the freeway because, you know, you just put in 6th gear, you're cruising, you're listening to your music. It's not a big deal. And I do plan on tracking this car, so I might put a roll bar, and that's a good idea to get a soft top version. Now this car does already come with aftermarket steering wheel, a aftermarket shift knob, and sway bar, as well as aftermarket Goodwin racing exhaust. To open the soft top on this car is super easy. You just need one hand. You unclip this lever here, the windows goes down, and there's a latch. You just literally, boom. That's it. There you go. And then to close the top, pull this lever, same thing. And voila, you can literally do this like in 5 seconds.